Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE edition. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, remove the SIM tray and then take out the back cover. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. Use a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. Next, insert a plastic pry tool or similar object to carefully cut through the adhesive around the edges. Please note that this process takes time. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, remove the logic board cover with the wireless pad by undoing 9 screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the wireless pad from the bottom and then carefully lift the cover using a pry tool and fold to 90-degree angle to access the connector plugs. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the wireless pad plug to release the board cover with the pad. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the top center. Next, disconnect and pull out the faulty telephoto camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the faulty main white camera. Next, to pull out the ultra-wide camera, the logic board must be taken out from the body. First, disconnect 6 connector plugs holding the logic board. Begins with disconnecting 2 right antennas, main flex, LCD flex, 5G antenna and the power limb flex. Next, undo the screw holding the logic board. Next, gently using a tweezer, release the camera from the bracket. Next, take out the logic board using a pry tool. Next, disconnect and carefully remove the faulty ultra-wide camera module from the rear side of the board. Next, place and secure the new ultra-wide camera on the board. Next, gently secure the logic board on the body and also secure the camera in the bracket. Next, secure the board by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the new white camera on the logic board. Next, place and secure the new telephoto camera on the logic board. Next, secure the new front camera on the board. Next, secure 6 connector plugs into the logic board. Next, secure the cover with the wireless pad. First, secure the wireless pad plug to the board and then fasten the battery plug. Also, make sure the wireless pad is securely placed on the body. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.